My name is Derek Klimek, and I'm a member of the Tri-States Manufacturing Association's Career Dream Team. I'm a mechanical designer at Massman Automation.
I grew up on a farm, which helped me develop problem-solving skills. As a child, I played with and fixed up hand-me-down toys, which sparked my interest in manufacturing and design. I found that I enjoyed math and industrial courses in high school, and went on to attend Alexandria Technical and Community College, where I received my AAS degree in mechanical design, drafting, and engineering. I chose the 2-year degree path because I didn't want to pay the money for the 4-year degree. And after 2 years, I knew that I'd be able to find a good job in the area that I grew up in.